So I don't know how it's going to work because I forgot a lid. I need a lid to regulate the rice, and then I need to be able to lower the heat. And I don't have an oven mitt to touch that hot handle. But I found those gloves in the truck, so that'll work. We'll see. So I put the rice in some water, and I pulled the pot towards a lower heated area, and so now I'm working it, and it's fun. And I have a neighbor across the road, looks like a young married couple. I'm trying not to look because I don't want them to look over here. So, be back in a moment. Well, I sure hope this works. I'm pretty much babying it, constantly stirring it. And I hope the rice cooks before the water evaporates from the high heat. But I hope it turns out okay. I sure love sausage and rice. Of course, I've always used a different brand of sausage. Let me take it off the heat. But I used to make this for my dad every now and then. It was such a simple one-pot meal. Just throw the sausage in a hot skillet with just a little oil. Render that sausage for all the flavor to come out, and then you throw in your onions. Then you pour the cup of rice. Oh, that's what I did wrong. I didn't put enough water in. Really? I need a whole nother cup of water in here. 1 cup rice, 2 cups water. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I screwed that up. Yeah, crazy. I need another cup of water. Let me pull this off the heat. I'm gonna go run get another cup of water. I'll be right back. Boy, do I feel dumb. But now I've got both bottles of water in there, or rather 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. I can't. So silly of me. But I'm pretty much babying it. And I'm hoping that the rice absorbs the water before the water evaporates, because I don't have a lid. Live and learn, live and learn. But hopefully this will be done in just a few minutes. Okay, so the sausage and rice is okay for now. It is over there under that red sweatshirt. Whoops. Don't burn, don't burn. What I did was, once there was just a little water left, I took it off the fire. I covered it with foil. Yay! I used foil as a lid. I moved it over to the table, and I wrapped it real tight with foil, and then I laid that sweatshirt over it just, to help insulate it. So I'm hoping it's sitting over there cooling down, and the rice is absorbing the last of the water. I hope. But interesting new development. I'm surrounded by people. I mean, you can't see, but right next to me, people are camping. There's 4 spots across the street from me. People are camping. Right there. Somebody's camping on the other side of those trees. Next to them is somebody with the most darling little tiny Winnebago. They've blocked traffic for about 10 minutes. They're trying to back it into it. And you know how it is. The smaller the trailer, the harder it is to back up. But whatever. I'm glad it's not me. So... oh, don't fall off. Fun fact, Roasting marshmallows is like one of my most absolute favorite things ever. Ever. Love roasting marshmallows. And I've probably done it less than 10 times in my life. Anyway, more to come. Isn't that a beautiful fire? Let's put another log on and it keeps on going. I like this wood I got. Alright, time to see. Julie, please don't be mad at me for using my sweatshirt. Ooh, nice and toasty. Is it still hot? Ooh, ow. Okay, let's see. Nope, didn't work. Or at least didn't work well enough. Let's taste it. I see there's still a little bit of liquid there. Oh, but it's still super hot. Look at that. Maybe it's okay. Oh my God, it looks so good. I put a little sea salt in the Ziploc of rice last night, so I didn't add any salt when I was cooking just now. Oh my God, look how good that looks. All right, let's taste it. Oh my gosh, so good. It is super hot still. So I'm just going to put the foil back on and leave it for another 10 minutes. And then I'll be good to go. Oh my gosh, it is very good. So that's that. And I just had 8 marshmallows. So I'm going to get my lantern situated because it's going to be dark soon. I'm going to make sure I have plenty of light where I need it. But look, I've got people everywhere, but still there's enough wood coverage or woodland, whatever you call it. Is that a tent? I never even heard anybody setting a tent up, and there it is already. Wow. But I'm very happy with this park. So anyway, that's it for now. Sausage and rice on a campfire.